What's up? Today is day 47? 8? 40, I think 7. 47. 47. Nice number. Alright. Actually, no. Putting my leg like this is disrespectful. Okay, let's start. Exercise. So, today I played ping pong with my brother. Yes. It was an intense match. It ended up I lost 6-8. We did like each set was 11 points, so we played quite a bit. Something fun about me is I have the topic for the day, using your left hand. Yeah, something fun about me is I am right hand dominant, which is very interesting. Well, most people are right hand dominant, but the thing about me is I am training my left hand so I can be ambidextrous. I'm doing this in a few ways. So as you can see, I'll talk about ambidextrosity later. But yeah, so I played a few games with my right. I played like total of 2 games with my left. Everything else was right, because like I said, I'm still right hand dominant. But yeah, it was quite intense. I was sweating. I was talking about Taco Tuesday every time I win. Like I score a point, Taco Tuesday, and then I score another point, Taco 星期二, which is Taco Tuesday in Chinese. Yeah, I was pretty stupid, but Taco Tuesday. Okay, that's enough Taco Tuesdays. Yeah, so it was exercise. It was also fun. I was supposed to play tennis, but it was raining really hard. For intelligence today, I did AP Environmental Science. I'm gonna watch another AP Environmental Science video after this, but I'll talk about Unit 5. So, what is it, 5 or 4? 4. So there's many things. Important thing, plate tectonics. If the bottom part is really hot, it'll go up and split the plate tectonics, and there will be like mountains inside the ocean because of the lava, and then the plate tectonics will push out, and if there's another thing here, if it pushes under, the lava here will form like coastal volcanoes, and then there might be a small ridge depending on like how far it pushes down. Then and then it's not only just a 2D map, it also like if this is plate tectonics, right? What I was just talking about was like this and this, but it also could be like this. And then when this happens, that's when an earthquake, because like it'll catch on, right? It'll try push, release, and then that's earthquakes. There's also soil. Unit 4 also covers about soil. So there's 2 things you need to worry about with soil: how much water it is, and how much water it is. Basically, it's like this, right? If you have something like clay, it's very loose and there's small rocks, so it can hold a lot of water. The problem with this is if a plant grows on clay, it will actually drown because there's too much water and it's not able to absorb any oxygen with its roots, so it will actually drown. But then there's something like sand, right? You pour water down sand, the sand is not gonna hold any water, so the plant will die of dryness. And then you're trying to find that Goldilocks state between clay and sand, where it holds water, but it doesn't hold so much water that it drowns the plant. I think it's like stilt. And then there's actually a graph where you can see how much like clay, how much stilt, and how much sand is in dirt by putting it in a jar and water and then measuring the percentages, and there's like a triangle and then you like triangle it out. Good explanation. pH is also important. If it's more acidic, it will kill off like the phosphorus and nitrogen, and those are extremely important. They're limiting factors for plant growth. So you have to worry about those two. It will like leach it apparently, or no, it wouldn't leach it. It will just make it harder for the plant to absorb it or something, or maybe like just get rid of it. It's besides the point. Well, what matters is it lowers the amount, and then what it also increases is it leaches out more of the like metals in there, and then when the plant absorbs it, it will absorb more the metals and stuff, and it will destroy the plant roots. So low pH is bad. High pH is also bad. You want a decent pH. Then we also have our atmosphere. Lowest is trophic levels. Now, trophic level is basically like rain, it snows, it changes a bunch. That's what we think of our sky. Then we have the mesosphere. Is it meso? No, it's the S. Stratosphere? I don't know. It starts with the S, and there's an ozone layer, and that's what stops the sunlight cancer rays. And that's what global warming is destroying. So like we're destroying the ozone, and sunlight cancer rays are shooting down from the sky. Above that is the mesosphere. I'm pretty sure it's the hottest section. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the hottest section. And then there's one above that, which is the space one, but I don't know the name. I kind of no, it's not stratus. I'm just gonna call it the spacosphere. And yeah, it's basically like the limits of Earth, the limits of what you can count as Earth. What's important about this is it's actually the heat map. It's actually alternating. Like, think about it. If we're going up, right? If we're going up, it becomes colder. Then once we hit the stratosphere, if we start increasing in altitude, it actually becomes hotter. But then if we go up another sphere to the mesosphere, once we go up, it gets colder again. I think there's another sphere. I think I just misinformed you guys. Forget everything I just said. I need to restudy that. There's also like planet rotation. Yeah, there's one with the aurora borealis. I forgot which sphere the aurora borealis is, but I need to review this. Thank you. There's also planet rotations where there's one side facing the sun, other side facing sun, bottom side less sun, bottom side more sun, and yeah. For discipline today, I made sure to study. Yeah, that's pretty disciplined of me. Yeah. Now, for the fun topic, ambidextrosity. I'm not ambidextrous, but I'm learning how to. The thing I'm doing the most to help my growth as an ambidextrosity person is eating with my left hand. So, as you can see, I am Asian, so I eat with chopsticks. So now I just like hum, 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 hum. Like, think about it. Some people can't hold chopsticks with their dominant hand. I can hold chopsticks with both my hands. Oh my god. You're getting gapped. Yeah. So, I kind of know how to write with it. Not very good. Not very fluid. Does not look good. Yeah. And I sometimes use mouse with my left hand. Mouse. This is the professional HP gaming mouse. My mom bought it as a birthday gift in 2014 or 16 or 17. There's 2 side buttons. There's a middle button that controls the speed, like speed, sensitivity. There's a scroll wheel, and as you can see, there's this. I don't know why I started introducing my mouse, but anyways, it's kind of awkward using my left hand because it's like meant for right-handed. It's not one of the like both sides are even, but sometimes I do it. And yeah, so basically, I want to become ambidextrous, and yeah. So guys, if you guys have a great 47th day, then have a great 47th day. And I'm just realizing now, but I'll be in the middle of doing my exams while my 50th day is happening. Bye bye. See you. Bye. Stop the call. Stop it. Stop.